How to make a differential equation from a physical model? Well, we learn how to make an algebra equation using an unknown value x, and I hope everybody did that in high school. Now in the college, suddenly you are asked to make a differential equation. So how do you make a differential equation? Actually, differential equation contain not only x, it's contain y prime or y prime double prime. This y prime is dy dx. So when physical model contain unknown value and the rate of change, then it becomes differential equation. Let's see. For example, say the speed of bacteria grows is proportional to the number of bacteria. You have more bacteria, then the speed is higher because each bacteria is going to multiply. So dy dx, the rate of number of bacteria, is a function of y, the population. Okay, so this is a differential equation. So if you make dy over y and the k dx, you get log y equals kx. So this way, actually y equals kx plus c, and this same as c here. Okay, so second example here is the spring starts moving at the max distance L. You stretch the spring and release it, and take the distance x from the neutral position. Okay, so F equals ma. A is second derivatives of the distance x with respect to time t, and that is, according to Hooke's law, proportional, this is the coefficient, to the distance. So this is the differential equation. So the solution is x equals L cos omega t, and why this is the solution? Well, there are many ways to lead this, but most of the time the differential equation, if it's not a linear differential equation, you are not asked to solve this kind of function. Answer function is given already. So if you take a differential twice, then you get this. So that means k equals this, and omega equals square root of k over L. So general form of differential equation is you have y prime, y double prime, and so on. So sometimes triple prime, and this some external function. The algebra equation doesn't have those. Okay, basically you solve for x and y. That was algebra. Differential equation, you have those. Okay, so just like algebra equation, you learn how to solve it. You have to learn how to solve the differential equation. I hope you enjoy listening this video, and please check out the videos if you like. Click subscribe.